I put you guys in the worst places ever. Hi, happy vlogmas day 3. Yeah, day 3. Isn't this cute? I got it from Urban. I just filmed a trends I'm skipping on in 2022. Crazy that we're already at 2022. So I put this on because I just thought the top was cute for like a sit down video. It's actually a lot later in the day today. It's already almost 4 o'clock. Brandon and I want to go to Salvation Army real quick. I know I just went yesterday with Amanda, but I'm not looking at clothes. I want to see if there's anything like I could make into Christmas decor. I'm thinking we do these wide leg trousers from Garage and probably a crew neck because that's all I ever wear. I like the gray, my gray sporty and rich crew neck. Let's try this on. And then I want to stay with the casual vibes, so we're gonna do my New Balance 530s that are a bit more casual. I think I'm gonna do my big wool coat because it's my warmest coat. I got this like 2 or 3 years ago. We'll just do the basic. Telfar. This bag is so good, you guys. It holds everything. It holds my nipple cream. And that's the look. Very chic, very simple. I was gonna put a hat on, but my hair actually looks good today, so we'll leave it as is. Now I'm gonna go pick up Brandon. He had orientation today. He's gonna be a substitute teacher, you guys. I'm very excited for him. I know you guys love Ernie content, and we have training again tonight, but it's group training, so I don't want to stick a camera in anyone's face. Maybe we'll get some on the phone. Say thanks for coming to my blog. You're so effing cute. Let's pick out an outfit. I've already got tights on. Tights and crew neck. This romper. Literally, I'm like, I think we're gonna go to the thrift store and maybe we'll go get food or something. I just feel like dressing up, okay, people? And then because I think I want to be warmer, I'm gonna try thigh-high socks. Let's try the thigh-high socks. Because then I'm gonna put like my big trench on because I mean it's cold outside. Cute! And then the tights also make the socks stay up better. I don't know if I want to do the thigh-high socks. It might be a little too much. We'll do these little white ankle socks. And then I definitely need a sweater. Chest is gonna be so cold. Let's do a like regular pullover. And then it'll basically be the same outfit I've already worn. These almost look like boxers, but it's kind of really cute. I'm like, what am I even going to do? Nothing. I need my watch on. I don't know, am I doing too much? I definitely want to wear the hat. I'm gonna put a little makeup on. I'll do a makeup routine in another video because right now I'm just gonna put mascara on and maybe that'll make me feel better, and then we will come back if I decide to wear pants. I don't even think it's been 10 minutes. I got way too cold. I need to wait for those fleece lined tights to come because I just can't wear just sheer tights outside. I was losing my mind. So I put on my Uggs. These sweatpants Brandon made for me in like freshman year of college when he worked at a t-shirt place. And then I've still got the same sweater on and the hat. This kind of feels like a really strange outfit because I'm wearing a sweater and sweatpants and a funky hat. But I kind of like it, so we're just gonna keep it. Oops, I always do that. I just broke my hanger. You guys can't even see. I hate this. But like not with this. Like this is so strange. Oh, it's kind of not. Okay, maybe different shoes and I need a bra. I want to go to Target also to get new underwear. This little thermal is just from Everlane. It was the first thing I've ever gotten from Everlane, and it's such nice quality. It stayed in my closet through all my closet cleanouts. I like that it's not cropped. It goes well with low-waisted jeans. I'm really liking these jeans. I think we're gonna go with my cream trench. Trench? Yeah, that's what it's called. Cause like the brown hat's just not matching now. But I like this outfit, you guys. What do you think? I'm going to put on a little mascara and brow gel, and then we'll go pick up Brandon. My camera's almost done.
It's a good setup.
Hi friends, we just got out of the thrift store, Salvation Army, and we entered an alternate, We entered an alternate reality because Brandon just saw Ava's doppelganger. So Ava, were you just here? But I want to show you guys what we got. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oops. First of all, I got yarn for Christmas gifts. I don't want to say who that's for. My camera's gonna die, quick. I found this little sweater vest for $1.99. I found this little ear warmer, cheetah. I found there were a bunch of these new knee-high socks for $1. Christmas decor. I found a handheld Springer. Do you guys know what this is? Springer sewing machine, and it was 10 bucks, and I really wanted it. And I know Brandon will use it.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last two items are yours. Or no, one of them's mine. Then Brandon's got a fleece. I found him these PJ pants with like cool cargo pockets. And then I found this matching gingham set. I'll try everything on later for you guys because my camera's gonna die. See you at Target. I'm trying my best to remember to vlog, so I wanted to show you guys the outfit I'm thinking of wearing tonight. We're going to some event with Jackson and Amanda and Coco and Hannah. Me and Brandon are. And I think I want to wear romper that I just got from Urban. I think I showed you guys it. And I'm trying to decide, I've got one tight leg on. I'm trying to decide if I like tights and a black cowboy boot, or if I want to play into my schoolgirl outfit with like, cause this plaid is like very schoolgirly, and do thigh-high socks and loafers, but it's like a borderline Halloween costume. But I mean, like, I really like it. And then the jacket, I'm definitely going to do a leather jacket. I'll be warmer in the black tights because I can put the fleece tights that I just got underneath for sure, which like I think is just like a good idea. But I really like how my thigh-high socks look. That's so cute. I need to change my no, you know, just in the photo I can tell I like the cowboy boot better. You guys are always asking how to wear cowboy boots in the winter time, and this is definitely an option with tights. So let's do that. I'm gonna put on my fleece line tights. Oh, Brandon's calling me. One sec. I'm running late because I have to go pick up Brandon. This is the outfit of the night. Leather blazer is thrifted. Blazer is thrifted. Urban Outfitters, CVS, thrifted but purchased by Shoshi. My purse is downstairs, but I'm using my Telfar. Let's freaking go.